So today we are going to learn about the program to add n 1 byte numbers. So coming to the programming aspect of it, we are including two header files reg51.h and kjcserial.h. So jumping into the main programming one, we are initializing with variables I, sum, n and capital N, and then timer and scon configurations. Then we are initializing sum is equal to 0 so that it doesn't get interrupted with some junk files. So after that, the printf statement, enter the number of elements for n, this will be shown into the virtual terminal, and which would be given, this input should be given from the user. And the next line is n is equal to read byte pc, and the value which is given from the user is then stored into the n using the function read byte pc, which is an function for the kjc serial.h. So coming into the for loop part, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. So the value which is given from the user, this n, will be given here inside the for loop. So this for loop will run to the n number of times till the value which was given from the user. Okay, so after that, inside the printf statement, inside the for loop statement, we are giving printf enter the byte. So the this will be shown also in the virtual terminal, and inside that n is equal to read byte pc. So the value which is entered from the user will be stored into this capital N using the read byte pc. And sum is equal to sum plus n. So this command shows that we can, it will add till n number, till the values which is given from the user totally, and it will be as the final, the sum will be the final value for that. And then outside the for loop, you're giving printf statement, and then byte to pc of sum. So this final value will be shown into the virtual terminal. So this is the programming aspect for it. And coming into the Proteus simulation part, we are using a microcontroller 8089C51 and virtual terminal, and in which the RxD port of the virtual terminal is connected to the TXD port of the microcontroller, and the RxD port of the microcontroller is connected to the TXD port of the virtual terminal. Okay, so coming, we are just running the program. Um, it will be displaying as enter the number of elements for n. So I'm giving as 02. So we can give two numbers, two elements, 2 bytes to be entered. So I'll put the first byte as 21 and the second byte as 32. So the final value will be shown as sum is equal to 53. So this is what the program for n number of 1 byte numbers, addition of n number of 1 byte numbers.